Y'all, I hope everybody's having a great day today. In this video, I'm going to share with you three more apps, three more companies that you need to be working with in order to make the big bucks as an independent contractor medical carrier. But before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. The first, excuse me, the first app that I have is Lab Logistics. Lab Logistics is just like all the other apps that I'm telling you guys about. You get on this app, you can be an independent contractor medical carrier delivering supplies, packages to businesses, companies, and personal people. Sometimes it will be medical supplies, medical documents, court documents, or construction material. Now, depending on what kind of vehicle you have, will determine what type of packages you can deliver. So, if you're someone with a car, you can be delivering smaller packages. However, if you have a van, a box truck, you can load up heavier items. That means you will get paid a lot more. Also, I've been having a few questions. People have been hitting me up asking me, do they provide the same companies in their area? Now, I'm not sure what area that person was located. They never left that in the comment section. However, I found a company that's pretty much worldwide, every state, and that's Lab Logistics. All you need to have is a car, a truck, minivan, cargo van, or box truck to work for the company. You have to have a valid driving license. You got to be at least 21 years or older. You must know how to operate your smartphone. You'll be asked to take pictures of the packages you're going to deliver. You also be required to sign documents saying that you have delivered the package to the correct location. Some apps, some companies, you can have a vehicle that's up to 23 years old. However, other companies want you to have a truck that's no more than 10 years old. Most of these companies will do a small background check on yourself. You will need to have insurance for your vehicle. You need to be someone who can lift at least 50 pounds or more. Now, all the deliveries that you have will not equal up to 50 pounds apiece. There'll be packages that you'll be delivering that's less than 5 pounds. But they just want to know if you can actually lift up to 50 pounds, just in case you run across some of these construction deliveries where they can weigh up to about 60, 70, 80 pounds. Also, there will be someone to help you unload all the packages. So it's not like you will have to do all of the heavy lifting. They make it easy for you. Now, you got to speak English. You got to have a driver's license. You don't need any kind of experience or no degrees. So Lab Logistics is another company that you can use. And it says here they're servicing all 50 states. So I'm pretty sure you can use this app. You can use this company if you're located in an area where the other apps that I was talking about are not located in your area. So Lab Logistics is serving all 50 states. Only thing they're going to ask you to put in is your name, your first and last name, your company name, your email address, your telephone number, your address, the city and state you live in, also your zip code. and they're going to ask information about your vehicle, the make of the vehicle, the model, and the year. And they would like to know what is the best time to reach you. So, Lab Logistics is another company that you need to add to your phone to make the big bucks. You can make anywhere from $2,500 a week to about $5,000 per week, depending on the product that you're shipping and how far you're willing to travel. Now, if you're traveling 200, 300 miles away, that will equal up to big bucks. Spoke Logistics is another company that you guys need to download to your phone. You need to have Spoke Logistics. They're pretty much the same thing as Lab Logistics, Drop Off, GoShare. They're delivery carrier apps, delivery carrier companies that you can use to make more money a week, a month, throughout the year. You can use this as a side hustle or something full time. I encourage you guys to partner up with Spoke Logistics. These are great companies to work for. Most companies, you can get benefits, health insurance, dental care, eye exams for a cheaper rate. Roadie is another app that you guys need to download to your phone. You need to have Roadie. Roadie is just like the other apps that I mentioned before. You don't have to have experience. You don't need a degree. All you need is transportation. Roadie is a great opportunity, a great company to work with. You can choose your gig. You get matches in minutes. You're in control, and you also track your earnings. So, if you want to be your own boss, you want to make extra money, you're looking for a side hustle, then Roadie will be a great option for you. You make money every trip that you do. You deliver packages, not people, and you choose your own deliveries. You can get help when you want to, no minimal vehicle standards. So, Roadie does not discriminate on how old your vehicle is. So, that's all I have for you guys in this video today. Stay tuned to my next one.